Hey guys, my name is Gabe, and this is episode 17 to Let's Make Rust. So in this episode, we're going to be making some muzzle flash effects, and as you can see in the bottom right, we have an ammo counter now. So we're going to be working with an ammo system now that we're going to be making. The muzzle flash doesn't look so good at a start though, so yeah, we're going to work into that. Also, if you guys are interested, there's this pretty cool website called Coding Made Simple. You can go check out some cool courses made by other content creators. You can see there's RealTouchGML, which is actually the owner of the website, I believe, and you can see mine there as well. So you can check out other developers and their content, what they have to offer. So it's pretty cool. It's very convenient. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can go check that out. Alright, so to get started, we're going to import a muzzle flash into our textures folder. Doesn't really matter where you put it, it's up to you. And here are the import settings for it. It's 512 by 512, so I just left the max size at 512, and everything is good from there. So now I'm going to make a plane, so 3D object, plane, and we're going to actually make it smaller. That actually might be too big, so I'm thinking 0.1 would be fine. Okay. And I'm going to turn off cast shadows and receive. Actually, no, we might want to receive. Yeah, let's just leave receive shadows for on. It doesn't really matter. We'll leave it on for now. And on the Y, I think we no. Okay, on the x-axis, we make it on 90 degrees. And we'll take the muzzle flash and apply it to the plane. Okay, I'm going to rename the plane to muzzle flash. And over here on rendering mode, I'm going to change it to fade. Okay, so that's fine for now. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but I mean, it doesn't really matter right now. We could leave it. I'll leave smoothness and everything else on the way it is. And let's see. Okay, bring it up to the clock. Like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so something like that. You might want it to be a little bigger, so maybe 0.2. 0.2 is fine. I'm thinking of some way we could make it kind of brighter without using the emission. Maybe we could. Okay, yeah, we could just use the emission map. Maybe kind of orange-ish. Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. We'll leave it. The muzzle flash is it's not gonna look so good. But that's fine. Muzzle flash, I'm gonna drag this onto the Glock. Okay. And I'm gonna apply and disable this muzzle flash. So when we shoot, it's gonna pop up for roughly, I don't know, 0.1 seconds. So in our Glock script, or sorry, our shooting system, we're now going to maybe put it here, public game object muzzle flash object, and I'm going to make the public float here muzzle flash timer, which is going to be equal to 0.1. For now, that doesn't really matter. And I'll make a private float, which is going to be muzzle flash timer start. Okay, and in start, we're going to do muzzle flash timer start is equal to muzzle flash timer. Okay, so set muzzle flash start to muzzle flash. Okay, and here, if we hit mouse 0, where is that? Okay, here, where we play our gunshot. This is when we could start our timer. Or not our timer. I guess we could just enable it. So, actually, I'm thinking of a better way we could do this. Maybe, yeah, we're gonna want to use a boolean. So, where do we put that? Am I blind? Okay, here we go. We're gonna make a public boolean. Muzzle flash enabled is false. Okay, and we're going to do muzzle flash enabled is equal to true. So enable muzzle flash And in update, so down here, we'll do if muzzle flash enabled is equal to true. And now we're going to start our timer. So muzzle flash timer minus or equal time.delta time. And now we're going to do if muzzle flash enabled, or sorry, not muzzle flash enabled, if muzzle flash timer is less than or equal to 0, muzzle flash enabled is now equal to false, and our muzzle flash timer will equal muzzle flash timer start. Okay. So if it's enabled, we're also going to want to enable our actual muzzle flash object. So set active true, and we're going to copy this and make it false. Okay, so this should work. Let's test it out. So if we go to our Glock here and take our, where is it? Okay, put our muzzle flash on our muzzle flash object and hit play. Until it loads, and we, okay. So might want to disable that mesh collider. Now we can try. Hopefully it works. Okay, yeah, it actually surprisingly worked, and my position is screwed up again. I kind of want to fix that. Yeah, okay, it was 0.29. Kind of surprised I remembered that. Okay. So yeah, looks like our muzzle flash is surprisingly working, but it's not really orientated correctly. That is the, let's see, local. What's happening here? That's actually the y-axis. That's a little strange. Make that 0 so it is centered. I'm also going to mute my, okay, yeah, I broke it. Disable and apply. I'm also going to mute my audio. Okay, so shoot, and there we go. We could see a muzzle flash. It does look a little bit strange, but I mean, it is just a start, and I think it'll do for now. So it might be too, I don't know, you could adjust this the way you want to. I think for now, for me, it looks fine, and I'm not really gonna worry about it. Okay, so that's good. Now we're gonna move on to our weapon system. So okay, cool. So now we're going to move on to our ammo system. So we're going to open up our shooting system again, and I kind of want to put this at the top. So I'm going to make a public integer and probably clip, which is going to equal to 7 shots. We'll call we'll make an integer called reserve ammo, which is going to be equal to, I don't know, let's give ourselves like 28 bullets. Sounds fine. Okay, so I'm also going to make a boolean. Let's see, ammo empty, I guess. Okay. So if ammo is empty, does that make sense? Clip empty. Okay, so if our clip is empty, then we can't shoot. Let's do that. So over here, we're going to do and clip empty is equal to false. And we have a clip to shoot. There we go. Now, how are we going to actually do this? Okay, so I'm thinking now we can subtract a bullet. So when we shoot, our clip is going to be subtracted by 1. So that'll be fine. Let's see, and clip empty is equal to false. We're going to also have to make, I'll put this under the raycast like we did with the muzzle flash. So if clip is less than or equal to 0, then clip empty is equal to true. Okay, else clip empty is equal to false. Alright, so I think that'll work. Now we're gonna make it so that if we hit R, we're gonna reload. So if input.get key down key code.r. We also have to make sure that our clip is not our maximum clip size, so I'll make a public integer max clip size, which is also going to be 7. Okay, and so and clip is not equal to max clip size, and our reserve ammo is not equal to 0. Okay, so here we're going to make an integer called total ammo, which is going to be equal to our clip plus our reserve ammo. Okay, and if our total ammo is less than or equal to our max clip size, then our clip is going to equal to total ammo, and our reserve ammo is now 0, because we're basically taking all the ammo out of there, and we're kind of simplifying things for ourselves, which is always good. We're also going to make an else, so we're going to do integer shots, which is going to equal to our maximum clip size minus how much is in our clip. Then our clip is going to equal to 8, and our reserve ammo is going to minus or equal to shots. Okay, so this should work. What's happening basically is our total ammo that we have is how much is in our clip right now, plus the reserve ammo that we have in the end. So, and if our total ammo is less than or equal to the max clip size, we're making it easier for ourselves and just making our clip equal to what total ammo is, and just making our reserve ammo 0. And this is subtracting. This is if it's not less than or equal to the max clip size, we're basically subtracting from the reserve ammo and putting it into the shots. So that should make it easier for us. Don't know if I explained that right. Now we're going to make some UI stuff. So using Unity Engine.ui. I don't know if we used that. Yeah, we did use that in the series for our health bars and food bars. So in our UI canvas, I'm going to create a text and put this in the bottom right and align it in the center. Maybe I'll make it white and give it an outline and a little bigger, so like 24. Let's see, so we're gonna have 7 bullets out of 28, was it? Okay, that'll be fine for now. That's what it's basically going to look like. So this is our ammo text. So back in Visual Studio, I'm going to get the text, so public text, ammo text. And in update, I'll bring it here. Ammo text is equal to, should we make it say ammo? I guess. So ammo plus our clip, so what's in our clip. We're going to add a slash and our reserve ammo. What did I do wrong? Oh, right, ammo text.text. Always forget to do that. Okay, so set ammo text.text to ammo slash to, let's see, clip slash reserve ammo. Okay. A lot of the stuff that I do here might be like out of place, like this might be really weirdly placed. I'll actually take this out and I'll bring it to the top here. Okay. And yeah, this should work. So if we go to our Glock here, bring our ammo text to ammo text here, hit apply, and once we hit play, you should see it says ammo 7 out of 28, and every time we shoot, you can see it goes down, and now we're at 0, and we can't shoot. you don't see the muzzle flash, and when we hit R, it takes away ammo. So looks like our ammo system is working as intended. Okay, cool. So that works, and I think that's going to be it for this episode. So we got a muzzle flash working, and no, it's not. Alright, so I want to do one more thing before we actually finish off this episode, is I actually want to make weapon pickups. So I think that'll be pretty cool. I'm going to make this table a little bit longer so that we can put some weapon pickups here. Because I do want to put it on the table for now. I'm going to make a cube, and this is going to be, is what our weapon pickup is going to look like. It's going to be kind of like a rectangle, so I'm going to scale this kind of like a I don't know, kind of like an ammo box. I mean, it doesn't really matter too much right now because we're not focused on 3D modeling as much. So in our materials, I want to make a green, like an ammo box, and we're gonna find good green. I think that's fine. Kind of like an army, excuse me, kind of like an army green. And okay, in our scripts, I'm going to go to weapons and make another C# script, and this is going to be called ammo pickup. Okay, cool. So if this ever pops up, by the way, I think I've said this before, but you should hit reload all. It kind of resets the solution, or kind of checks the solution to see what's new. We're going to take a lot from weapon pickup here. So we're going to get our public string weapon name. So that's going to be the same. And we're also going to want to get the weapon manager. So we're going to get the weapon manager. Find the weapon manager. So I'll put that in the start method. And I'm going to kind of space this out the way I like to. We don't need that. And we don't need our update method for this script, I don't think. Okay, and we're also going to have our interact method. But instead of doing weapon found set active and all that good stuff, we're gonna do weapon found dot ammo. Oh, I think that's private. No, it's not private. What was it? Dot click. What? Weapon found. Oh, right. We're not actually in the script. Okay, so we're gonna make a private shooting system called shooting system. And shooting system is equal to weapon found dot get component shooting system. And our shooting system's clip is, did that work? Okay, so we could now access the clip. No, we're not accessing the clip. What am I doing? Okay, our reserve ammo is going to add up what it's equal to by. And we're gonna now make a public integer ammo amount, which I guess we could put 30 in one box by default, plus equal to our ammo amount, and finish that off. So add ammo to reserve, get shooting system script off of weapon found, and we're find weapon found. And here we are finding our weapon manager. And I want to do the same thing for weapon pickup. I want to comment it out so it's a little bit more readable. So find weapon found set weapon found enabled, kind of, I guess. And now destroy this object. Okay. Now let's test out our weapon pickup, or ammo pickup, see if that works. So over here, on this cube, which I'm now going to call ammo pickup. This ammo pickup is for the Glock. So it'll find the Glock here, and it'll access its shooting system and its reserve ammo and add it by 30. So that's pretty cool. I do believe, no, we don't. Yeah, I'm going to make a tag called, let's see, I'm going to make a tag here called ammo pickup, and we're going to add, okay, we already added the script, so everything should be good. Now one more thing we have to do is go to our interact script, and we have to do else if hitinfo.collider.tag is equal to ammo pickup. So if ammo pickup is detected, then ammo pickup is equal to hitinfo.collider.get component ammo pickup. And now we're going to access its interact script. Okay, so that should be good. Let's test it out. Hopefully this worked on the first try. I don't think it needs to be a trigger. So let's go pick it up. And something seems to not work. Okay, first of all, I want to give it a rigid body. Because I want it to have physics and that. Okay, that's not working. Let's see our weapon pickup. What's different about our weapon pickup? This has a box collider as well. Oh wow. Okay, I forgot to actually give it the tag ammo pickup. That is a common mistake that I think we all really do. I do get some comments about people saying how like their AI isn't following them, and then they would send me like a picture. Because I would tell them to send me a picture of your inspector for the AI, and I would always see that the tag was incorrect. So now if we go hit E, you can see now that our ammo is 7 out of 58, so we just picked up 30 rounds from 28 to 58, and yeah, so that's cool. That works, and I want to disable our Glock so that we can actually go and pick it up. So go pick up our Glock, and my phone is ringing. Okay, pick up our Glock and pick up some ammo with that. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be sure to answer. And yeah, have a good one.